you're looking to get started day trading in 2024, or if you've already gotten started but don't know where to go from here, you have found the perfect video for you. My name is Champ. I'm a 22-year-old full-time day trader, and I have taught over 46,000 students how to do the exact same thing that I've done. I get asked every single day, Champ, how do I get started in the market? What's the best way to get started? What's the advice that you can give me? So I decided to make this completely free YouTube video to show you exactly how I would get started in the market today if I could go back in time and restart. And before we get into this, if you are not looking to put in hours on hours a day and really learn a new skill, this is not for you. Day trading and becoming profitable doing it has become one of the hardest things that I've ever done in my life, and I'm pretty proud of it, but it takes a lot of time and effort. So the very first thing you need to do to get started today is download a trading platform. And in my opinion, the by far best trading platform is Webull. And by the way, if you use my link in the description, we can both get some free stocks and it'll give you a good head start in the market. So after you've used my referral link in the description and got signed up with Webull, make sure you upgrade to a level 2 options trading account so you can trade options like I do. Yeah, you can go to level 3 if you really want to, but to do the options that I trade every single day, level 2 is plenty. Another reason I really love this Webull trading platform is if you have $0 and no money to put in the market, you can get started right now by paper trading. If you're not aware of what paper trading is, it's basically trading but with fake money. Now you might be wondering, Champ, I can't make any money if I'm not using real money, which is 100% true, but the experience you're going to get by paper trading and using fake money while learning is going to give you a huge edge in the market when it's time to actually fund your account and start making money. Because you could be just like me and put all of your eggs into one basket and put all of your money into the market when you first start and basically just lose it all. All right, now you have your Webull trading platform. The next thing you need to download is the TradingView charting platform. You're going to buy and sell your trades on Webull, but you're going to use the TradingView charting platform to see when you should buy and sell. Every single trade I take is based off of purely technical analysis and options flow, and all of this comes down to the chart that you see on TradingView. You can also use TrendSpider. It's another great alternative. They're both great, but I prefer TradingView overall. All right, so at this point, you've signed up for Webull. You have a trading platform. You're good to go, and you also have a TradingView account, so now you can see the charts and trade at the same time. Now, I want to get into some basic rules that are very, very important and vital to your success in the market. Rule number 1 is if you are going to fund your account and put money into it, there is zero reason that you should be using every single dollar in a trade. For example, if I have $1,000 in my trading account, I should not be using $1,000 on my first trade of the day. Let me explain why. So if I was to put $1,000 or just my entire portfolio into one single trade in the morning and it didn't go my direction and I took a small or medium-sized loss, I wouldn't be able to change bias and find a new entry because I would be out of buying power. Now imagine missing out on the big move because you were stupid and decided to go full port on your first position of the day. And technically you should never put your entire portfolio in one position ever. All right, now that that's off my chest, let's get into the second important rule, and that is to stay away from trading the market the first 15 minutes of market open. Now there are times where I bypass this rule and I might sell one of my trades in the first 15 minutes or start a position there, but overall you have to be very careful in the first 15 minutes. Not only is the market extremely volatile within the first 15-20 minutes of the market, but it's also very known for having fake outs. I see it all the time. Traders are entering calls as soon as the market opens because it looks like it's going to go up, and as soon as that 15-minute mark happens, it absolutely dumps. And this is market makers trying to fake out the everyday retail trader. So stay away for the first 15 minutes. I'm always analyzing and watching, but I'm usually never entering a trade in those first 15 minutes. It's also good to get a feel of where the market's at. Sometimes you're going to notice some chop right there at open, and it's kind of good to stay away. By waiting that 15 minutes, you can really analyze that and tell what you're going to do moving forward. Okay, the third thing that I want to talk about in this set of rules is you have to respect your stop loss and have great risk management. Guys, I teach this every single day. There is no reason to have a 10% stop loss if you're going to be taking profits at 5 or 7%. If you're going to be profitable in today's market, your risk to reward is massive. So for example, if I'm going to set a stop loss at 10 or 15% in the red, I have to make sure my price targets are 15, 20, or even 30% in the green for my first take profit levels. It just makes no sense having a greater risk of losing than winning. And also, if your trade hits your stop loss, be okay with selling it and finding finding a better entry. I see it happen all the time where traders bag hold their positions or even average down as they're in the red and losing all of their money. Hopefully you wrote those 3 rules down, and if you didn't, make sure you go back and rewatch it because those are extremely valuable to your trading strategy. Alright, so we've talked about a trading platform, a charting platform, and my 3 main rules to get started. The next thing that I want to talk about is what tickers should I be trading? I get this question every day, Champ, what stock should I trade? What stock should I buy? What should I invest into? And okay, here you go. Here's your answer. You should trade and invest in the things that you love or that you're comfortable with trading. For example, I love trading the S&P 500. If you watch my socials, you see that I'm always buying SPY calls or SPY puts because that's what I'm most comfortable with trading. The reason I love trading the S&P 500 over other stocks is because the S&P 500 consists of the top 500 companies in the market publicly traded by market cap. So if you're interested in trading companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, all of those kind of companies, that is all going to be in the S&P 500. Same for Apple, same for Nvidia. You guys kind of get the point. And the reason that I don't trade the single stocks themselves usually, and I usually just trade the ETFs and scalp those, it's because I'm a lot more comfortable with all 500 companies going together than trying to just trade one single company that might be having an off day in the market on that specific day. So let me just give you an example. Let's say the whole market is going up, but Apple is going down. Apple might have had the same setup as the rest of the market, but if I would have stuck to only playing that one specific stock of Apple, I would have missed out on a lot of upside by playing the entire market instead. I know that's kind of confusing, but hopefully that makes sense. All of these stocks are trading within an ETF, so it's kind of trading all of the same stock. I also like trading the QQQ ticker because that does consist of a lot of tech stocks that are also in the S&P 500. And every now and then I like to swing and day trade a few smaller cap stocks, but I like to stick to SPY on the most part. Now, the final thing that I want to get into is surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals that have the same goal that you do. Going through this trading journey and learning how to become a profitable trader is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, and I had to do it all by myself. I probably only had one friend my entire past 4 or 5 years that actually traded the market with me, and he's my business partner today. And as most of you know, I run a giant trading Discord with over 45,000 members, and we are holding each other accountable in the trading hours every single day. So not only do you get to surround yourself with like-minded individuals, but you also can hear what I'm trading every single day live in voice call. And if you can't make these daily live streams, I also put them in the chat in real time when I'm buying, entering, exiting, all of that good stuff on my trades. But I do want to mention this. Yes, I do send all of my trading signals in there. So does my entire team, and we absolutely kill it every single day. But the number one priority of my Discord and of the reason that I created the Oasis trading community is so you can learn how to trade exactly like we did. So if you do want to surround yourself with a bunch of like-minded individuals as well as myself and my team, make sure you click the link in the description to join the Discord community today. So we've went over all of the basics. I taught you how to get started trading in the market, what platforms to use, the basic rules, and the community to join if you want to learn more. And I want to make more videos and go in more depth about how I use technical analysis, reading charts, reading options flow, and all of that good stuff to make over $100,000 a year trading in the market. Here, I'll actually make a deal with y'all. If you can get 500 likes on this video that you're watching right now, I will fund one of your accounts with $1,000 cash. So if you have no money to trade with, or if money is pretty tight, I will send you $1,000 cash to get started right now today. So if you want to try to win that, make sure you leave a like and comment below something positive that you learned from this video. And again, I want to get more into depth. I want to teach you guys more strategies for completely free. Just make sure you like this video and subscribe for the next one. Other than that, I hope you guys all had a great day and a great week in the market, and I will see you guys in the next video.